Today I am going to represent the presentation of inventory management module. Inventory management is a very simplified open enterprise resource plan software which can easily be used. Here is a detailed overview of its key components. First is multiple warehouse and multiple location tracking, real-time stock updates, stock movements, inventory adjustments, barcode scanning, and many more. So our first step is multi-warehouse management. In this, first we go to the inventory management module. Then we go to the configuration. By using this, we can track the multiple stocks, and we create new stock names. And we can create the multiple warehouses. Next step is real-time stock updates. Stock updates. First, we go to the products. We can check the on-hand quantity and our stocks that we move from one location to another location. For example, I have chosen this product and we can check the on-hand quantity is 56 now. When we purchase or sell our some products, we can then the on-hand quantity will be changed. Let's say I have chosen one product, conference chair, its on-hand quantity is 56. Now I'm going to purchase some product of this conference chair. Now we can create a vendor here. When I confirm this order, I can see the receipt. When I will validate this, now we can check the products. Our on-hand quantity will be increased 76. We can also check from here inventory, products, stock moves. Our stock is moved from here to here. Source location to destination location. Next step is inventory adjustment. In this, we can automatically or manually we can adjust the product's on-hand quantity. Here I will go to inventory module. In these operations, you can see inventory adjustments, create new. We can also exchange the counted quantity here. When I will place this 12, apply, its on-hand quantity will be changed to 12. Apply all. The next step is barcode scanning. For this, I'm going to the enterprise module version. And what? 16 versions, enterprise version. Here, first we need to install the barcode app. I have already installed this. When we click on operations, we can see all the operations here. Inventory adjustments. Here we can check the scanned products. First we need to scan the barcode here. We can check the batches and the products that we have scanned already. By going to the settings, when we click on this print barcode commands, it will show me some barcodes. Reordering rule. Reordering rule is used to trigger the reordering when the stock is running out. For this, we go to the configuration and reordering rules. Here we can create new also, like one product I have chosen. I'm going to choose the from where one location to another location the product is moved. Here there are two steps to trigger the reordering rule, auto and manual. Manually we need to choose when the product is going to running out, and automatically when the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity is figuring out, then it will automatically reorder the products. For example, I am going to choose the minimum quantity and the maximum quantity. Our next step is loads and serial number tracking. By using this, we can track our products by the loads and serial number tracking. For this, I'm going to products loads. For this, I'm going to choose the one product. We can also create a new product, but I'm choosing from this one. After that, I'm going to inventory tab. First, I'm going to track by unique serial numbers. Okay. Whenever we are choosing by loads tracking, we can choose the multiple products. Now I am creating a new quotation. add a product. Quantity 5. Whenever I confirm this order, go to receipts. Here we can add the lots number as a line. Here we are going to add the locations where the products are going to be found. We have chosen the 5 products, so will be 5 confirm. When I validate this, products are purchased. Now I'm going to track by the serial number products. Desk combination, the unique serial number. In the device, when we choose the unique serial numbers, we can choose only one product. Now I'm going to create a purchase order. Now, for example, I am choosing 3 products. Whenever I save this, confirm, going to receipts. I need to add a serial number. Fine. Now I need to add the serial number. Serial number 1001. Now I cannot choose the 2 products for this. I need to add a one product. Confirm. I also need to add a one more serial number. It's done. We can see here that we have added the loads and loads number, serial number. Now I'm going back. Whenever I validate this, now we can check the traceability here. Our products are tracked by our serial numbers. Our next step is multiple step routes. For multiple step routes, first we need to go to settings and need to enable the multi-step routes settings. Here we can search multi-step routes. Here is it. It's already enabled. We need to save this. In multiple step rules, we have three steps: one step, two step, and three step. In one step, we can receive the goods directly. But in two steps, first we receive goods in input and then we need to stock in the warehouse. And the third step is first we receive the products, then we can check the quality, and then we need to stock the inventory module and the warehouse. I'm going to here. Here we need to go to configuration, warehouses. We can create new. Here I'm going to receive goods in input and then show two step save. Here I need to go first. Sorting with and our created. Warehouse is created. Our next step is inventory forecasting. In this forecasting, we can check the product stock levels based on our historical data. For example, we have our on hand quantity is 90 and our incoming is 50 or 40 and minus is outgoing. So 90 plus 40 minus 0 is 120. So our on hand quantity plus incoming minus outgoing is equals to forecasted value. Our next step is advanced reporting and dashboards. Here we can see our valuation reportings. In this reporting, we have multiple steps: stocks, locations, move history, stock moves, and valuations. Here we can see dynamic reports on our inventory valuation, movements, and forecastings. Our next step is product categorization, mean product variants. Like what are the properties of our products? For example, size, color, unit of measures, legs, etc. Here I'm going to operation products, product variants. Here you can see legs, color white. By going to the attributes, we can add the new product variants like width and a value is 25. Save. Once the width is added. Our next step is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a method of selling the products from vendor to customer directly without any intermediary storage. For this, we are going to settings, inventory module, configuration and settings. Drop shipping. We need to enable the drop shipping tab. It is already enabled, so I save this. After that, we need to go to routes to need to create a dropship that I have already created. Now I am going to create a sales order to be fulfilled by a dropshipping. But first, we need to go to products, choose one product, for example, large desk, or any other product, paddle win. In inventory tab, we need to choose dropship in the routes, then save this. Now I'm going to create a sales order, new, choose one customer, have selected the product paddle win, quantity 5, then save it and confirm. Now I'm going to generate the drop shipments. Now I can see the inventory module, and here in transfers, here we can see in transfers, it is done. Our next step is cross-talking. For this, we first need to go to settings and enable the multi-step rules that we have already done. Now we are going to create a new warehouse for crosstalk that I have already created for my company, crosstalk. After that, goods are saved and sorted and sent out of their destination. For this, first we need to go to configuration and rules. Here we can pull or push from the destination to source and source to destination. We can check our cross-talking here. Here is it. Now going to products and choose one product. Or also we can create a new product, but I am choosing from here office lamp. For this, I am going to create a purchase order that we have already created for the four vendors so that we can directly go to the cross-dock location here. Now I am going to create a sales order for this cross-docking. It is same as we do the drop shipping. We need to create a purchase order for this, and we can also check in this transfers in inventory module. Add a product, large cabinet, one quantity is 7. When we confirm this order, we need to go to receipt and validate. We can see this in the transfers from one location to another location. Here is it. It is already done. Now our next step is perceptual inventory system. In this we can see inventory in this list like sales, internal transfers, delivery orders, returns, overview. Here we can see delivery orders 4 are waiting, 13 are late, and 2 have created the back orders. And receipts, we can see the incoming shipments here. And internal transfer, we can see from where stock is moving from one location to another location. And the next step is scrap management. Scrap management is used to manage the damaged or expired products that we are not going to use anymore. For this, we need to go to operations, scrap. We can create new from here also. For example, we need to choose a customizable desk that we are not going to use anymore, and it is a damaged product also. Create a new scrap order, quantity, 4, post location, scrap location, and when validate, it is scrapped. And status is done. Next step is back orders. Whenever the product is running out of stock, then we need to create a back order for that product. For this, we are going to create a purchase order. Orders, purchase orders, new, add a product, cabinet door, quantities 4, and confirm the order. We need to choose the product that have no enough stock. These products, products, Corner display product that has only zero units. For example, we select the apply layer product. Create a purchase order for this new add a product, apply layer, quantity is 45, confirm order, save products, validate. To create it as combination purchase order. Few I'm choosing the vendor, add a product, conference chair, chair, 100, firm order, receipts, confirm, validate.